addition and subtraction of signed numbers by using a ones complement and a twos complement. Okay. Okay, generally we are not performing addition and subtraction of signed magnitude numbers. Signed magnitude numbers in our digital computer point of view, whether we are performing addition or subtraction by using ones complement or twos complement, that is the reason I am not telling any problems on signed magnitude representation format. We are doing problems for ones complement representation as well as twos complement representation. Now, here we are concentrating on signed numbers. Okay, here the sign plays a very important role. Now, plus, I am taking small numbers, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus, plus 5, plus, plus 5, plus 2. Perform addition by using twos complement. Perform addition by using twos complement. Perform
Sir,
addition.
your voice is very low, sir.
Very low. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Perform addition. Actually, my volume is 100% only. So many people are not only your session, for every session, so many people are complaining about the volume. Why is already in 100%? My volume is in 100% only. I am using my headset and in front of my only. Why I don't know why my voice is very. Can change the headset. We can now perform addition of these two numbers by using twos complement. Perform addition of these two numbers by using twos complement representation. Twos complement representation. Now, here, if you observe the expression what I have written here, if you observe the numbers what I have written, clearly I have mentioned the sign. Clearly, I have mentioned the sign. Both the numbers are positive numbers. Both the numbers are positive numbers. Why?
Pos-
Because clearly I have mentioned the sign. Now, how we are doing addition, how we are doing the addition, and what are the points we have to remember, and what are the points we have to underline, what are the points we have to note down in your notebook. Okay. Now see here. Now, how many bits you are considering, that is very very important. How many bits you are considering, that plays a very important role while performing addition of signed numbers or subtraction of signed numbers. How many bits? That means in order to represent 5, how many bits you are taking? How many bits you are taking? Generally, in order to
Four
represent
bits.
in order to represent 5, how many bits are required? In order to
Four bits.
represent in order to
Four
represent
bits.
5, I need only 3 bits are
The
sufficient.
three bits only, sir.
3 bits are sufficient. 3 bits are sufficient. But here but here I am not using 3-bit representation. Here I am not using a 3-bit representation. Here I am considering it as a here I am taking it as a 4-bit
Whole.
representation. Why? Because here we have to consider sign also. We have to consider sign also. Actually 3 bits are sufficient. Actually 3 bits are sufficient in order to represent only magnitude. But here I am representing sign also. That is the reason I am taking this 5 as 5-bit representation. Now this is my plus 5. Sir, can't I take a 5-bit representation? Can someone tell me, can't I take a 5-bit representation?
For
Whether it is
4-bit representation, range is -7 to +7 only.
my question is, can't I consider a 5-bit representation of plus 5? Whether
Yes,
it is
sir.
possible or not possible?
It is possible, sir.
It is
Possible.
possible. It is possible. I can take a 5-bit representation. Whenever you are taking a 5-bit representation, you should remember this is our sign bit. The bits are not a problem for us. Okay. I can consider that 5 also in a 6-bit representation also. In a 6-bit representation also. Everyone, are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here the number of bits are not a problem for us. Now, for our understanding sake,
Sir.
I am considering it as a 4-bit representation. Okay. Some problems we are considering it as a 5-bit, or some problems we are considering it as a 6 bits. When that situation comes, then I can tell you. Now here only 2 bits are 4 bits are sufficient. For same 2, for same 2, I can consider it as a 4-bit representation. Why? Because actually to represent 2, how many bits are required?
2 bits.
2 bits.
To represent positive 2 plus 2, how many bits are required?
3 bits.
3 bits are
3 bits.
3 bits.
3 bits.
But how many bits I am considering here?
4 bits.
4
Here
bits.
I am considering it as a 4-bit representation. Why? Because already we have learned one important point. Whenever we are performing addition or subtraction, both the numbers should contain same number of bits. Both the numbers should contain same number of bits. I hope you are getting my point. Now you can do your normal addition. Here the operation what we are going to perform is addition only. I can perform normal addition. 1, 1, 1. Here the sign bit is 0. Here the sign bit is 0. Now this is my plus 7. In that way I can perform addition of 2's complement number. Sir, you are saying that it is a 2's complement number. Why are you not converting these into 2's complement representations? Why? Because these two numbers what I have taken, both the numbers are positive numbers. The positive representation is same in all the cases. Same in all the cases. Same in all the cases. Everyone, are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
following?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. Now we are going to see one more problem. Minus 5 plus minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2. Now minus 5 plus 2 by using 2's complement. Minus 5 plus 2 by using 2's complement. Here what I have to do? What I have to do? Here what I have to do?
2's complement. We have to find the 2's complement of the minus 5.
Here clearly by seeing the numbers, by seeing the sign, here I have taken a negative 5, minus 5, a negative number. Now here the negative number we should take it as a 2's complement. Why? Because clearly he is saying that 2's complement addition, 2's complement addition. Now how we are doing this problem? See here, simple. If you understand one or two problems, you can do the remaining problems. Now minus 5 I am taking it as a 2's complement representation. Now this is my, here also I am considering it as a 4-bit representation. This is my plus 5 0 1 0 1. This is my plus 5 4-bit representation. Now I am calculating the 1's complement. 1 0 1 0 is 1's complement of my 5. This is my 1's complement. For this 1's complement, I am adding 1 to this 1's complement. Now I am going to get 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. This is my
2's complement of minus 5.
2's complement of minus 5. For this number, what I have to do? I need to add plus 2. This is my minus 5 in 2's complement. For this minus 5, what I am doing? I am adding plus 2. Here I am taking directly plus 2. 0 1 0. 1 addition only. 1 1 plus 1 1 0. 1 here 1 and here also 1. Am I correct? 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 1 0. 1 here. 1 and I'm subtracting 1 here. Okay. Now what is the result I am getting? This is the result I am getting. This is the result I am getting. Actually, what is the answer I should get? If you are doing
-3.
-3.
what you should get if you are doing this as a by using pen and paper, you should get -3.
-3.
What I have get?
-5.
Minus
5 minus 5.
5.
-5. Very good. -5. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, very good. Those who are saying -5, very good. Okay. Please see my screen. Please see my screen properly. Please see my screen. Now, this is my 3 in 3-bit representation. This is my 3 in 3-bit representation. This is 3 in my 3-bit representation. Sorry, 4-bit representation. This is 3, normal 3. What is the ones complement of this number?
1100.
1100. What is this one? Ones complement. What is this one? Ones complement. Now for this ones complement, what I am doing? I am adding 1. What I am doing? I am adding
Adding 1.
what this will become.
2's complement.
2's complement.
Now
Complement of 3.
2's complement. Nothing but how you are representing -3 in 2's complement.
110.
1 0.
1 1 1
Zero.
1.
0 1.
Now what is this value?
-3.
Minus
You are saying -5. That is the point we have to understand very clearly. That is the point we have to understand very clearly. Now, the numbers what we have taken and the way we are performing the operation by using which complement, the result what we are getting, the result is also in that complement form. The result is also in 2's complement representation. The result what we are getting, it is also in 2's complement representation. Hope everyone, are you understood now? Everyone, are you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is not -5. This is -3 in 2's complement representation. This is -3 in 2's complement representation. Hope now you understood. Everyone, are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I hope you are note downing these points in your notebook. If you are not writing in your notebook, that is up to you. I already told you, I am saying so many times repeatedly. Please note down these points. After performing addition or subtraction, the result what we are getting, it is in the form of 2's complement. Why? We are performing operation on 2's complement representation numbers. We are performing operation on 2's complement numbers. These are our 2's complement numbers. Are you understanding? In the another case, +5. Same example. Why? Because it looks clear. Those who are not getting, for them it looks clear. Okay. Now you have to do this one using 2's complement. Do this one by using 2's complement. Now, what we have to do? I have to take minus and 2's complement. Okay, -2 in 2's complement representation. Okay, here also I am taking my -2 in 4-bit representation. Okay, this is my 2, normal 2 in 4-bit representation. If I calculated 1's complement, 1 1 0 1. For this 1 1 0 1, I am adding. Now this will become 1 0. This is -2. This is my -2. Now, what is my +5? What is my +5? My +5 is 0
0
1
and 0. 0.
0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, I'm adding triple 1 0. I'm adding triple 1 0. Now 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 plus 1 1 0. Now this is the additional carry. Okay, and carry, additional carry and carry. Now additional carry. Now this is my sum, this is my sum, this is my sum and my carry. Now here we have to we have to we have to understand some points. We have to understand some points. Can I write this expression in this format? Can I write this expression in this format? Plus 5 minus of plus 2 plus 5 minus of plus 2. Can I write in this format?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now
No,
here we can't write in this way.
No.
Why? Why I can't write?
For positive numbers, all representations are same, sir, not for negative.
Generally, okay, what you are saying is correct, but the expression I can write in this format or not?
yes, sir, you can write it.
So you
Next,
can.
what her doubt is, actually if it is a positive number, we are representing every positive number in the same format. Okay, now I can write the expression in this format. Now if you observe this expression clearly, this will become the subtraction, Now how we are performing two subtraction, what are the rules we have discussed for unsigned numbers? The same rules is applicable for signed numbers also. Now this will look like the subtraction, actually it is a subtraction. Now in subtraction also we are not doing the subtraction, there also we are performing addition only, Now what are the rules or what are the steps we have discussed during the unsigned number subtraction, by using r's complement, Now if you remember the steps, what is the first step?
A
Calculate
plus
the
R complement of B.
r's complement of the subtrahend. A plus r's complement of the subtrahend. That is what I am doing here. A plus r's complement of the subtrahend. And I am adding that subtrahend to the minuend or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What I am getting? I am getting an end carry or not.
Yes,
sir.
If it is a r's complement, if you are getting end carry, what you are doing?
Discard.
Discard the
Discard.
end carry. What is our final result?
Double
Double
zero,
zero,
double.
double.
Okay, 5 minus 2. What is the value you are going to get?
3.
Plus.
Plus 3. Okay, here I am getting plus 3 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? Are you understanding, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's all. That is the reason here we have to discard this end carry. Okay. Someone having doubt, sir, why we have to for explaining you, I have written this expression for understanding you, understanding your sake. I have actually we can write. Actually, the mathematical expressions we can write. But what is her doubt is, sir, you are saying that positive numbers in all the types of representations we are doing the same thing. Here also I can write this way also. This is also correct. What we have to do here, what operation I am performing, what operation I need to perform, which operation I need to perform? Subtraction. If I want to perform subtraction, how I am performing subtraction, how I am doing that subtraction? A minus b equal to
A plus R's complement.
a plus R's complement. What is the R's complement? 2's complement of plus 2. Here also you need to calculate 2's complement of plus 2. Why? Because for this expression, I am saying for this expression. Okay, don't get confused. For this expression also, calculate the 2's complement of plus 2. Calculate the 2's complement of plus 2. What you are going to get? You are going to get this thing only. Now what we are doing?
Double.
We are getting this only. If I calculate the 2's complement for plus 2 also, I am getting this only. Now I am adding that value to the A. I am adding that value to the A.